good condition. My name is HAFIY from Islamic Secondary Al-AZHAR, CAIRO, SUKOHARJO. Today, I will talk about something very important that I believe can make a difference in our life and our society. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to deliver this speech with the subject with sincerity and mutual understanding, strong society. And I take the title, One Nation, One Earth, One Purpose. Friends, we live in a hard country. We have so many islands. Our culture are rich. Our language are diverse. But let me ask you, are our hearts totally connected? Nowadays, it's easy to get angry on social media, even at school. Sometimes we ignore friends who are left behind or still struggling. But here is the truth. A strong nation is not about how powerful it looks. It's about how deeply its people understand and care for one another. Let's reflect for a moment. If we, as students, can respect one another, help us understand and truly learn without getting hasty. Since amazing is a need, sincerity means helping without expecting prize. Understanding means realizing someone expecting them our battle if they don't say the word. This might seem like a small thing, but in a turn, they build something big. They become the foundation of nation that grows strong not just in technology but also in character. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, la yu'minu ahadukum hatta yuhibbu li akhihi ma yuhibbu li nafsihi. None of you truly believe until he loves for his brother like he loves for himself. Hadis narrated by Bukhari Muslim. This is what Islam teaches us to be sincere, to care, to understand, not just with words but with action. Friends, a nation will not stand strong just because of tall buildings or modern movements, but also built by a strong society with big hearts and open minds. Let's be the generation that chooses sincere, not hypocritical. Let's be students understanding, not indifference. Because from us will raise one nation, one earth, one purpose. That's all I can share today. My speech inspires us to grow as a strong, caring nation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi